Welcome to the family!
Hi, I'm working on music requirement 4C, the create your own instrument one. You'll need a PVC pipe, a tape measure, pipe cutter, a Sharpie. A hot glue gun's optional, but I prefer it because it's less work. Oh, you're also going to need a little bit of clay. You want to take your tape measure and Sharpie to mark off a 9.5, 8.5, 7.5, 7 and 6-inch sections of your PVC pipe. I've already marked all the measurements, and I have to line up the pipe cutter and tighten it. Oh yeah, work with an adult on this project, or else you'll be stuck going in circles. Ah ha ha ha. And I can't wait for this to be sped up in the recording. On to the next piece.
I think you need to tighten it down more again.
Yeah, I know, you have to progress it.
There you go.
Wait, is this easier? Wait a minute. Oh, that's easier. That's smarter of me to do. That's a lot easier. Man. Alright, after you cut them, you want to get them all lined up straight like this and have the edges forming a curve like that. And then we're going to proceed to hot glue them. My hand's meant to be that shaky.
No.
Oh, great. I'm just gonna whack them together. And then you just let the glue dry. After the glue dries, you want to put in some clay. Scientific study this. So here's a fast, simple, easy pan flute.